Welcome to the audiobook, Rebuild Yourself, Let Your Focus Be on You Every Day. Today, we're diving into a transformative guide emphasizing the importance of focusing on yourself in a world filled with distractions. This book covers key areas like mental health, emotional resilience, physical well-being, and spiritual growth, offering a roadmap to reconstruct a life that resonates with your authentic self. I'm your narrator, and I'm excited to take you on this journey of self-discovery and growth. The first step in your journey of self-rebuilding is to rediscover your passions. Reflect on what excited you as a child and what activities light up your current days. These passions provide the purpose and motivation necessary for personal growth. They are the spark that ignites your journey towards a more fulfilling life. Next, we must cultivate self-awareness. Understanding your strengths, weaknesses, dreams, and fears is crucial. This involves being honest with yourself and transforming negative internal dialogues into positive affirmations. Self-awareness is the foundation upon which you build a stronger, more resilient you. Alongside self-awareness, it's essential to prioritize your well-being. Set boundaries, manage stress effectively, and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Remember, taking care of yourself enables you to be there for others. Your well-being is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Building healthy habits gradually is key to achieving a healthier lifestyle. Start with small changes in your daily routine, whether it's incorporating exercise or practicing mindful eating, and watch how these adjustments lead to significant improvements over time. Consistency is the key to lasting change. Embracing personal growth means stepping out of your comfort zone. Acknowledge that growth is a continuous journey. It's about realizing your full potential over time and being open to change. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Identifying and reflecting on your core values is essential for making decisions that align with your true identity. These values serve as an inner compass guiding you through life's challenges. They are the principles that define who you are and what you stand for. Setting achievable goals that resonate with your values is important. View these goals as stepping stones rather than daunting mountains. They should inspire you rather than intimidate you. Each goal brings you one step closer to the life you desire. Building meaningful relationships is crucial for personal growth. Surround yourself with positive influences and let go of draining connections. Nurturing these relationships is a vital aspect of self-care. The people you surround yourself with can either lift you up or hold you back. Finally, don't forget to embrace creativity. It's about expressing yourself and can be nurtured by surrounding yourself with inspiration. Creativity isn't limited to artistic endeavors, it also includes problem-solving and innovation in everyday life. Let your creativity shine in everything you do. Thank you for joining us today on this journey of self-discovery and growth. If you found this audiobook helpful, please share it with others who might benefit from it. Remember, the journey to rebuilding yourself starts with the focus on you every day. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep shining.